Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to merge two databases in Notion. When working within Notion, it's common to accumulate multiple databases over time. These can range from separate tables for projects or tasks to contact lists and more. While having distinct databases may seem manageable initially, it can quickly become cumbersome, especially when you're trying to streamline your workflow. Merging databases in Notion is a powerful way to tidy up and make all your information accessible in one unified view. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to bring together various tables effortlessly, keeping your workspace neat and your data easy to manage. Now, let's dive into the detailed steps on how you can achieve this. Imagine you have two separate databases, one for old tasks and another for master tasks. The goal here is to combine everything into the master tasks database, creating a cohesive, central space for all your information. 1. Identify the database to move. Begin by determining which database you want to integrate into the other. This decision is crucial because the database you choose to move will become part of the destination database. For instance, if you want to consolidate your task lists, decide whether old tasks should merge into master tasks or vice versa. Take a moment to evaluate where you want your combined data to reside for optimal organization. 2. Navigate to the source database. Once you've made your decision, go to the database that you plan to move. If you're unsure, take your time to review both tables. This ensures that you're making an informed choice and helps avoid unnecessary backtracking. 3. Access the Options menu. At the top right corner of your database block, there's a menu icon represented by 3 dots. This is your gateway to various options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Although there are many choices here, you're looking for the Move To option. It might be easy to overlook due to the menu's length, so keep an eye out for it. 4. Choose your destination. After selecting Move To, Notion will ask where you wish to relocate the database. This is where you'll choose the page that contains the database you want to merge into. For example, if you're merging into the Master Tasks database, select that page. If you're uncertain about the destination, proceed carefully through your Notion workspace. Remember, you can always revisit this step if needed. 5. Relocate the database. Once you've picked the right page, Notion will begin transferring the entire database to your specified location. Depending on the size of the database, this process might take a little time. Be patient as Notion works its magic. 6. Merge the tables. Now that your database is relocated, it's time to merge the tables. This usually involves dragging and dropping entries from the old database into the new one. If you have custom properties or filters in place, spend some time ensuring everything aligns perfectly. This step is akin to mixing ingredients in a recipe. Sometimes you'll need to adjust to get everything to blend smoothly. 7. Clean up. After successfully merging, you might find an old, empty database block. It's typically safe to delete this block, but if you're concerned about losing data, consider duplicating it first as a precaution. This cleanup step helps keep your workspace tidy and focused. And there you have it. You've successfully merged two databases in Notion. Your workspace is now more organized, making it easier to manage your data and focus on your projects. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We're always here to help. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to merge two databases in Notion quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.